and welcome to my channel. My name is Marta and I am the content creator behind EagerFit, which means that I will be your instructor for this workout. Feel free to use this video as a standalone workout for a quick and effective full body routine. If you are looking to do a full-length body weight workout, click the link in the upper right corner and follow the videos in the playlist. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Your support helps me tremendously, and that way I can keep creating more free content for you. If you are ready, let's get to it. Come down on your hands and knees. Extend your right leg straight behind you and left arm up by your ear. Begin with little lifts. Now lift and lift. It's a small movement. It's more of a contraction of your glute muscles than the actual lift. Lift and lift. Check in with your abs. Make sure you're keeping your core nice and tight so your back is staying flat. And hold it lifted. Hold here. Keep breathing. We are not here for too long. Stay strong and take the arm and leg in and in. Little squeezes in towards your midline. Squeeze and squeeze. Imagine a line going through the center of your body and try to get your arm and leg closer to that line. And now hold everything in. Hold it still. We are almost out here. You have 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Lower the arm and leg and let's take it to the other side. Extend your left leg and right arm straight and begin with little lifts. Now lift and lift. Up and up. Remember to check in with your core to make sure that you're pulling your belly button in towards your spine. Try not to lock out your left arm. And now hold still. Hold it here. Quickly check in with your hips and shoulders and make sure that all 4 corners are facing straight down. And now add the little squeezes. Squeeze in and in. In towards the midline, in towards the midline. I know it's challenging, but you're not here for too much longer. And final hold. Now hold still. Hold it here. You're out in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Carefully lower the arm and leg and shift your seat back. Take a quick stretch, reach forward with your fingertips, take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, carefully press yourself up. Turn yourself around and lie on your back. Bring your feet in closer to your seat, take the heels together and toes apart. Now squeeze your glutes to lift them off the floor and lower back down. Squeeze, lift, and lower. Squeeze, lift, and lower. Hands are long by your sides, shoulders are relaxed. Lift and lower. Really squeeze your glutes to get them high off the floor. Now hold the hips lifted and press side to side. Press right and left. Right hip and left hip. And again, this is not a large movement. It mostly comes from you squeezing your glute muscles. Squeeze right, squeeze left. And now take it to center. Press and press. So you're squeezing both glute muscles at the same time. Squeeze, press, squeeze, press. We have a change coming up. Stay strong. Now flex both feet and lift the toes off the floor. 1 open the knees, 1 press your hips up. 1 open, 1 press. So knees come out to the sides and hips press up. Press out and out, out and out. We're adding a little bonus work for our inner and outer thighs. And combine the 2. Press and press. Press the knees out as you press your hips up. Press and press. This is where you finish. You have 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Carefully lower your hips down and turn yourself around. Take your legs out wider than your shoulders, bend both knees, flex both feet, and connect the heels. Rest your head on your forearms, and now lift and lower the legs. Squeeze, lift, and lower. Lift, and lower. lying down on the floor, I still want you to think about engaging your core and pulling your abs in. We're strengthening the back side of the body, so we want to balance things out. Squeeze, lift, and lower. And speed it up. Lift and lift. Up and up. Squeeze your glutes and squeeze. Hold the legs lifted, point your toes. Now extend the legs and bend. Extend them out on diagonal and bend them back in. Out and in. Keep pulling your navel in to help protect your low back. Take the legs out and in. Let's do 2 more. Now hold the legs straight and kick them out. Right, left, right, left. Don't give up now. This is your last move. Last 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take both legs down, take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, place both hands directly underneath your shoulders and carefully press yourself up. Let's do that a couple more times. Press yourself up as you exhale, lengthen through your spine, stretch your low back. And thank you for joining me in this workout. If you would like to keep going, I will include some workout recommendation links in the description bar down below. Don't forget to give this video a like and leave a comment down below and let me know how you like this workout. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you soon again.